Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, we're tackling the USDCHF pair, and we'll combine breaking news and technical analysis to make sense of what's happening. Recent news sources indicate a bullish sentiment around the USDCHF, driven by the surprise 0.5% rate cut by the Swiss National Bank, SNB. This unexpected move has weakened the Swiss franc, leading to an increase in the USDCHF value. Let's examine the daily chart to confirm this trend. Notice the significant price increase over the last 24 hours, supporting the bullish outlook presented by the news. There's a notable upward trend over the past week. However, zooming in on the previous few days reveals some volatility and signs of potential resistance levels. It appears that the price struggled near the 0.885 level before breaking through. This resistance may reappear. Now, let's switch to the 1-hour chart for a more granular view of the recent price action. The 1-hour chart shows the impact of the SNB rate cut, with a clear upward surge in the price. We can see the effect of the market reaction to this news more closely. Notice the candlestick patterns on the 1-hour chart, suggesting strong bullish momentum. There are very few instances of the candlesticks closing below the open value. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart to observe the short-term price fluctuations. The price appears to move upwards at a relatively consistent pace. The high frequency of the candles on this time frame allows us to quickly see the changes happening across this time frame. The 15-minute chart shows some short-term consolidations, suggesting potential temporary pullbacks. We're not seeing anything significantly bearish, however. Returning to the daily chart, we can identify key support levels around 0.87 and strong resistance levels near 0.895. If the price breaks above the 0.895 resistance, it could signal a strong continuation of the upward trend. Conversely, a fall below the 0.87 support might trigger a more significant correction. The current overall momentum is bullish, but it is important to observe volatility in these timeframes. In summary, the USDCHF is currently showing a bullish trend, driven by the SNB's surprise rate cut. However, there is short-term volatility, with potential resistance levels near 0.895 on the daily chart and support levels around 0.87. The likelihood of the price reaching 0.895 in the near term is moderate, but a breakout above this resistance would significantly reinforce the bullish outlook. Meanwhile, the probability of a correction towards 0.87 is less likely in the short term, but a break below 0.87 would greatly reduce confidence in the overall bullish sentiment. Keep an eye on these key levels, and remember, this is not financial advice. Thank you for watching Explain the Charts. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth market analyses.